Alright, so sometimes in the car world things are slow and fast. So we're fast because we just got back from Carlisle yesterday and I gotta go pick a vehicle up that got delivered to my buddies over at McGann & Chester while we were gone. The slow part is that 56 GMC I bought, what, a month ago? I haven't seen it yet. Took a while to get it paid for. Mailing checks and sending wires, whatever. It was a weird deal. I bought it off my buddy who hadn't already paid for the whole thing yet. So I wired him. He had to mail a check. That check got lost. He had to mail it again. Got it paid for. It took me a while to find enclosed transport because this is a really nice truck and the bed's full of all the parts to finish it. Finally got it on a transporter, but it was a 12-car enclosed hauler who has to make all those stops all the way across the country. So now it's finally here in Pittsburgh, but we're kind of in trouble because all of our straps are literally over at the other warehouse and I'm not going there. Yeah, Ryan says he doesn't know where it is.
Well, it should be easy to find.
Yeah, they may have put it in one of these garages. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see it. I was getting uncomfortably close to my buddy's Tahoe, and that'll be really funny in general. Anyways. Yeah, I'm 2 inches from the Tahoe, so we're good. All right, let's go find Ryan.
This is really awesome. That is sweet. I know that these aren't, that's crazy. I know these aren't factory. Hell no. No hood latch. That's why I can't find a hood latch. And no hinges. Oh, it's great. Can't see fucking anything in there.
Out here at my buddies, McGann & Chester Towing in Pittsburgh. They took delivery of this for me, which they have done many, many times in the past when I'm out of town. This is the first time I'm laying eyes on it in person, so I literally, Shane looked at it before I did. I'm looking at it first time right this second. So had a repaint, looks like enamel because of the way it's popping off of the original paint. Enamel paint does this. It's real thick and it pops off in big flakes, but I like it. It's got like a little bit of patina charm to it. Yeah, man, it looks really, really, I'm gonna say original, but like obviously it's had a repaint, it's had the seat redone, but it's all in the original, you know, spirit, I should say, because this is an original color, original seat. This is what the original, like a Deluxe seat would have looked like, the piping. It's got the right steering wheel, right horn button. This horn button's worth like $100, believe it or not. I'm really hoping that the gauges and stuff are in the bed here. I'm hoping that, you know, I don't want to undo all of this here. We'll take this all back and we'll get into it at our shop. Well, the goods are here. Look at that chrome, dude. These got chromed. They got all this stuff re-chromed. So I was unaware of, I couldn't get photos of any of this stuff because I was buying this from somebody else that was no longer there, that bought cars out of this place. And they agreed to take this, I guess, with me in mind, that I would take it for the price it was offered to me for. So, I mean, here's the big mustache, the center bar, the heavy metal one. That's here. And that chrome is beautiful. That's awesome. All right, like I said, I want to get this out of here, and I'll go through. We'll have Christmas Day when we get it back to the warehouse. That seems pretty cool, huh? A little bit more. This is interesting. This has been serviced or recorded a couple times. It's a Highland Oaks Radiator Company on that first tag, and on the second tag it says Calabasas Radiator, which I assume is Calabasas, California, because this truck's from Los Angeles. That's your front. That's the rear, because it's got the major curves. That's why there's scuffs all over these rear fenders from them trying to fit that bumper. Good news is that although there's not an extra front end, and what I mean by that is the mustache, you know, all the big pretty stuff in the front. Although there's not an extra painted set, at least the set I have is chrome.
Nope.
Woo!
Got all 4 of them?
Yeah, dude, this is $1,000 in that box. Easy $1,000 in that box. This was a nightmare, and why they quit working on it. This isn't even usable. They cut all these leads way too short. It'd be a total asshole to try and use this.
Well, found the rest of your gauges. The rest of the gauges for up front, they're all in here.
So now the 100 numbers are really little. This is it. This is the piece. This thing chrome, probably $2,000. Now the 100 goes right on there. Yeah.
Okay.
So now we just need the 100.
I'm going to throw a battery in it and crank it to get it up on number 1 compression.
Okay. So number 1, you're trying to get number 1 up right now?
Yeah. Yep.
Are you just rotating it from the front? Yeah, you are, okay. We didn't want to hook a battery up.
No, because the starter, there's no wiring on the starter whatsoever.
Okay.
You want this on that rack eventually.
Oh, yeah.
Well, when
Yeah, this is on, this I can't lay on the ground. See, there's bolts missing out of the front of this timing cover too, so. This was a, yeah, I don't know how to say it. Just like, give up. Get rid of it.
That's what they did.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, wait for the next guy.
Next guy's got too much to do. That's why that truck was probably sold. Well, the thing is it was for a school, right? So there was an automotive school that was using this as like a card to show the shop. So like, this is, okay, they're like, to the kids, they're like, okay, like, let's take this part apart. Like, what is this part? What is this part? What is this part? So that's why it's also taking apart, labeled so like, meticulously. They're probably like, end of the year project. We got to finish it by the end of the year. Never got finished. All the kids graduated. Now what do we do with it? Fucking sell it.
Well, the registration in the glove box said it was some museum or something. That's it. Slam it.
It's a new
Thank
door,
you.
all right? It's
Thank you.
Look at it. It's brand new.
Yeah, why did you have to slam it?
That's what you do to new things. You usually
Yeah, no, just close it. These fucking things are almost, what, 80 years old. Just close the door and then click like that.
It's brand new. Look at this cab.
Yeah, right. Yeah. It's got a pretty long stroke. Mm-hmm. The spark plugs are right on top of the pistons, so that shouldn't be hard to measure, and then would know what engine it is. Not
Yeah.
that it makes any difference to us.
Right.
That's so far in there.
Reach it, want me to get it?
No, I think I could get it. I got my eye on it. It's that's about right.
Okay.
Now you want to watch that side?
Yeah.
And I'll bring it around.
To the pointer.
Yeah.
Okay, go
And then
ahead.
this should be
Top dead.
top dead center on number 1 when it comes around.
Go ahead. Easy, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go easy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. A little bit. Okay, right there. You're good. All right. Should make Pete crawl over this thing and put that in there.
This is fucking horrible.
Yeah. All right, take a break.
This was me. I'd pull this front clip,
Yeah.
take it right off. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
You want it to run? That's what I got to do.
Yeah.
Because this is inhumane.
Yeah. It's like being in Alligator Alcatraz, huh?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 3, 5, 7.
Perfect. Thank you. Here.
Sorry. Here, stick this on the bread. Yeah.
7.
Yep. Okay. 100. Let me get some squirt the motor oil down in there. Yeah, this is number 2.
Number 2. Here we go.
Okay, 125. Okay, bud. Okay, that's about 122.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. A little lower. 80. Okay. All right. I'm gonna call that. That's another 80. Okay.
Gonna let those other 2 soak for a
Yeah, I'm gonna let them soak.
Put that right there really quick.
In the meantime, I'm gonna check for spark.
Okay. Check it for spark. Okay.
Yeah, see what's up. All right, man. Thanks. No spark.
No spark, huh?
Yeah, what? Oh, I don't have the coil hooked up, that's why. Okay, we got spark. Yeah. It's a weak spark, but it's a spark. Figure out why we're not getting any compression on this. We'll try it again.
Ready?
Yep. Better. 75.
Is that 3?
Well, yeah, that's 3. Now number 5. Okay. Okay, bud. Yeah, 75. It's coming around. And that should be enough.
Okay.
Now, put them plugs back in there. All right, I'm gonna work on this fuel pump.
All right, you gonna install a fuel pump?
Yeah, if it's the right one, and
Pretty sure he ordered that.
yeah, Joe ordered that.
Where's it
It's on this side,
Okay.
and I gotta look in there to make sure the eccentric is on the cam. Well, so much for work. We're not working on the grind, huh?
I guess so. Is this it?
Yeah, I think it is.
Yep, looks like it. Boom. Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Sweet. Alright, I'll let you do this thing. The fuel pump? They never put a fuel pump on.
No, probably electric.
They were gonna go electric.
Yeah.
They never got to that point, huh?
Right. Right. Yeah, this engine wasn't even running.
No.
Look at the plugs.
Yeah.
It did run, and then they took everything off and regasketed it. You know.
The high school kids went crazy.
Yeah. Right.
And they didn't finish.
And then they didn't finish.
And then
yeah.
COVID happened, probably.
Yeah. Yeah. And they were afraid to work with each other.
Yeah.
What?
Did you say Ozzy Osbourne died?
No, I didn't hear that.
Yeah, he did.
Hey, did he? Oh, man. Oh, man. Wow.
That's the second time I've heard something like, remember when we heard about when OJ died?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. We were working right here. Yeah.
Wow. I can't believe Ozzy Osbourne's dead though, that's crazy.
I know. Didn't he just perform?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah. That needs plugged. That needs plugged. Oh. I don't even know what kind of carb this is. Oh wow, that went on easier than I thought. Okay.
When I used those things he gave me the one time, those were probably the best. What'd you say, Rick?
There's a ball game on 11:30.
Oh really? I might put that on. Yep, should be good. Yep.
Okay. Work that button. Button? Yeah. What I tell you to. Go ahead.
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we're getting fuel. All right. Give me this here. Ooh, that thing is leaking.
Bad.
Yeah, it's gonna flood.
It's already flooded.
Yep. Try it, Shane.
She's flooded bad.
It's gonna backfire.
I wouldn't even do it. Don't even do it. There's way too much fuel in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a huge fire.
It's sticking. Okay, don't do nothing.
Put it down.
No,
No, disconnect that.
it's off. Way too much fuel in there. Like a Patina truck with a fire extinguisher ready. Maybe for YouTube we would have fired that off and let it backfire and catch fire, but had that happen too many times on accident, that was guaranteed to catch fire.
We'll donate $50 to the Greater Pittsburgh Community Food Bank for every Pirates double play this season. Learn more and see how you can help double down on food and
Yeah, he says there's only like 5 plants over there, too. Red's on.
All right. About time. It's out of time.
All right, well.
Oh, you wanted to do? Oh.
Careful. I got it.
So let's go there. Let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Let's just can we stay? Can you take me higher to a place where lying man see?
Yeah, shit. Tough fuck, baby.
that's it. It's finally done. Many months later, it's all put together, running, driving, stopping. 55 GMC big window, half-ton short bed, V8, Hydramatic. It's a mouthful, but it all matters. Really nice truck. Has like this sweet like old paint job on it, so it's got like a little patina, but it's still pretty shiny. All the chrome's great. Brand new bench seat that's kind of got this like nice little green piping to it to tie in the outside paint. We got to get the air cleaner on it, but for now, until I round up some of that stuff, we're going to put it out. We're going to get it up for sale. It might get better in the time that it's for sale. It might not.
You got all the chocks out?
Check the brakes. I think we got good brakes. That big boom was the shift. I would just drive this and work the bugs out of it. I mean, this Hydramatic hasn't been driven in a lot of years. A lot of different things you could do. It runs great though. Like this V8 runs really, really, really good, but definitely has a big hard slam of a shift. And it's having to go way up high in the RPMs to get to the point that she shifts. So, you know, definitely got to work bugs out of it. The gauges don't work, but it's a great truck. Like we're 80% there with what we got. We got good tires, good rims, good brakes, good upholstery, no rust, big back window, half-ton short bed, really cool, like used old paint job with a nice color. So I gotta get out of the middle of the street. Let's go put it in the yard. All right, everybody, so we're all done with the 55 GMC. It's a 100 series half-ton short bed. So we're done with it basically for now. I'm hoping to find a buyer. If they want us to take it a little bit further and get a detailed chrome, polish all this chrome, polish the paint, I would do that. But right now we got this 62 Impala convertible coming in, and it needed to go into the shop along with the 51 Chevy, two really nice cars. So this truck we got out here underneath the carport, but it's running, driving, stopping, factory V8 to 316 Pontiac, Hydramatic transmission behind it. Full disclosure, the Hydramatic transmission does run, does drive, does get through all the gears, but it's a little clunky. I think if you just drive it, everything's gonna clear up. It's full of fluid, it's full of clean fluid, fresh fluid, little bit clunky still. Rule of thumb with these is they either work or they don't. This one's working, I think it just needs driven. You're not gonna drive this truck home, but once you get it home, you can definitely drive it around town. It's got fresh brakes from us, fuel lines, brake lines, all that kind of good stuff. The paint's not perfect. It's gonna look a lot better in the video than it is. It's like an older paint job with some love shots on it. I wouldn't call it patina. I'd call it a decent amount of character, like especially in the bed sides. Like I really like how there's like a little bit of rust coming through. Like somebody was hauling stuff in the bed, it seems like, once it was painted. So it has like just the right amount of kind of blemishes. The seat is beautiful. That's a custom done cover when it was out in California. There's no rot in the floors, the cab corners, there's no patches in the cab corners, there's no patches in fenders, nothing like that. This was a California truck its whole life, built in Los Angeles, lived in Los Angeles, purchased by me in Los Angeles. So has been a California truck forever. If you're interested in the truck, the market on these is a little bit down from what it was in the past. So this truck's a really good deal. Clean title in hand, 20 grand gets you a running, driving, stopping, really, really nice 55 GMC half-ton short bed, big window with the chrome front end. Just 2 years ago, we were getting 14 grand out of something like that. So, market's definitely down. This truck 2 years ago, probably 30, 35 grand. Excellent time to get into a 55.6 GMC. I say 5.6 because that's my favorite front end. The 7's a little different. The 8 and 9 are the same, but they're different than a 5 or a 7. So if you're interested, get a hold of me, 412-335-6100. If you want the truck all cleaned up and detailed and you're interested in it, I own a detail shop. We could do that. It's just not something we've done yet because it's going to sit underneath this carport and get dusty. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the quality of this ending clip because me and Shane got some new camera toys here and we're trying them out right now. So keep your eye out for the next video. It's probably going to be pick-in video or a cab over. So keep your eyes out for that and visit IronCityGarage.com if you want to see the rest of the inventory or get yourself some Iron City gear.